everybody. This is a remote control future star robot demonstration. First, I would like to say that as before, I tried 3 ways to control the robot with wires, which is the data acquisition card, PC parallel port, and national instrument. But I didn't find a wireless transmitter and receiver to transmit digital parallel signal. So I changed my strategy in my project. Next step is I used the Matlab GUI M file to write data, not to PC parallel port or national instrument or data acquisition card. I write data to PC parallel port because I find a wireless transmitter and receiver, which is the easy radio transceivers, can transmit serial signal. So here is my transmitter, radio wave transmitter using easy radio transceiver, and this one is the receiver, radio wave receiver, connected to the input port of the robot on the control circuit main board. If I connect the transmitter to computer, to Matlab file, and this goes to the robot, receiver to the robot, it will remote control the robot. So next, let's demonstrate that. First, I use the USB to serial port adapter, including consisting in the future star robot kit. Connect this adapter to the transmitter I made, and I also need a battery to charge the transmitter. After that, connect this to the USB port. Go to Matlab serial port, remote control GUI, press F5, and after that, the receiver goes to robot. Need to charge it. Okay, let's bring down the robot to the floor, on the ground to see if it's working. Switch on the power on the control circuit main board and then press run button. After, click backward. Click forward. Backward. Stop. So this is mainly wireless remote control. This is transmitter and this is the receiver. Over 250 short distance, you can use the computer Matlab GUI to remote control the robot. Another step is to add an internet login website to remote control the robot over long distance via internet and easy radio, wave radio transmitter receiver. So what you need to do is just go to the computer, go to internet, and type in log me in, which is a PC remote control software you can download from the website. Enter your email address. I enter my Gmail address and my password. So this computer, which is that one over there, control the robot over short distance, has already downloaded the LogMeIn software. So I can use any computer in the world to connect to the internet to remote control that computer. Thus, I can control my robot over long distance via internet and easy radio transmitter and receiver. So let's demonstrate. Click remote control. So you need the password of that computer you want to remote control. And then log in. The desktop of that computer appeared on this computer. Zoom in, then let's try to see if this we can remote control over via internet. Use log me in. So it works. Just disconnect this computer, remote control that computer. So this is a remote control robot using internet and easy radio to realize a long distance remote control. Next, I would like to demonstrate use speech command to remote control the robot. Use a microphone connect to the PC sound card and click the Matlab GUI button speech remote control. Click right after you click the button, input any speech commands showing above the button. For example, let's try go. Back. Stop. So it works. So this is one way to do speech remote control the robot. The way I did in Matlab is using artificial neural network. It works very good. The reaction time is very short. When I input my speech command, the robot will react immediately almost. But another way to do speech recognition to realize speech remote control is time dynamic warping used in template matching. I would like to demonstrate that as well, but it took longer time for the robot to execute the speech command because the template matching method, you have to calculate the feature vector of your input speech word and the feature vector of 16 different templates. So it took around 6 or 7 seconds to let the computer calculate, recognize. Okay, let's try it to see how it is working. This is template matching. It took longer time. Let's try. Click the button. Go.